Most of the students struggle with this question because they don't even know the first step, and this is the most classic example of U substitution. I have created the full mastery of the U substitution course, the link of which you can see on the top right now. That course highlights whenever you see a function within a function, the inside function is what you have to put U in most cases where the derivative can be managed, obviously. So in this case, there is a cubic expression or cubic function, and there is a cube on top of it. So the inside function is this 2 plus 3x cube. Okay, so if I put the 2 plus 3x cube is equal to U, let's see the derivative is present or not. Okay, so the derivative of 2 is 0 anyway, and for 3x cube the derivative is 9x square. Okay, we don't have 9, but we do have that x square over here. Okay, so that 9 can be easily managed. Okay, let's see what do we mean by all of that by actually starting that question and by saying 2 plus 3x cube is equal to U. Now let's convert that entire integral from the x world to the u world. And in order to do that, we'll have to differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Derivative of 2 with respect to x is 0. Derivative of 3x cubed with respect to x is 9x square is equal to derivative of u with respect to x is du by dx. Okay. If you notice over here carefully, there is a x square times dx. Okay. And even here, if you notice, there is a x square over here and there is a dx over here. So what we can do, just multiply the dx on the left hand side and take that 9 on the right hand side. So what you will have is x square times dx is equal to du divided by 9. Okay. By doing this, what we can do is now write that x square dx as du divided by 9, or in other words, we convert that dx in terms of du. So that integral will end up becoming du divided by 9. Okay, so that x square dx is du divided by 9. And the 2 plus 3x cube is nothing but u to the power of 3. Such a simple integral it became at this point. Okay, now that 9 is constant can be taken out of that integral. So we have 1 over 9 integral of 1 over u cube with respect to u. I hope that makes sense so far. Okay. Now this 1 over u to the power 3 can be just written as u to the power minus 3 with respect to u. Okay, and we can just apply the simple algebraic formula where we know integral of x to the power n with respect to x is nothing but x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So we increase that power by 1 and divide by the same power. So we can just apply the same idea here. So integral of u to the power minus 3 is u to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus, let's add the constant of integration c. So we have 1 over 9 u to the power minus 3 plus 1 is nothing but minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus constant of integration c. Now let's convert that integral back to the x world. So we know that u was nothing but 2 plus 3x cube. Okay, so we can just write that instead of u, 2 plus 3x cube to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus constant of integration c, and this is nothing but your final result. We can clean this up a little bit if we want. 9 times 2 is 18, so we have minus 1 over 18, and that cubic expression to the power minus 2 can be just taken in the denominator if you want. 2 plus 3x cube to the power 2 and plus constant of integration. See, I think this is nothing but your cleaned final result. I hope that makes sense. If you are struggling with U substitution, I've created the full mastery course, the link of which you will see right here.